Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we are making a baked apple pie cottage cheese breakfast bake. That's a mouthful. But it's got cottage cheese in it, it's got apples, rolled oats, almond flour, pecans. Oh, it just looks heavenly. I'm not going to use apple pie filling because it doesn't tell me to. The recipe that I am using. I'm going to wash and dice up a couple apples. Let me see, 2 medium apples. So that's what we're going to start off with. Actually, I want to start off with the cottage cheese. Here in my blender, I'm going to put the cottage cheese in here and smooth it out so that it doesn't have the small curds. I use a small curd cottage cheese anyway, so we're going to use the blender. We're going to smooth it out before we add it to our other ingredients. So let's get started. Blend it. Oh wow, that really looks good. Okay, so we're going to take our apples, we're going to put our rolled oats, our almond flour, and our pecans, and we're going to mix this all together. I think that's pretty good. We'll set this aside in a bigger bowl, and we're going to add all of our other ingredients, our wet ingredients. So here's our 2 cups of cottage cheese, blended. So the texture is a lot different than if you're eating a bowl of cottage cheese. Okay, so then we want to put in our eggs. One of them was a double yolker, so I love double yolkers. It just gives so much more moisture, especially to a cake or even cookies. All right, so we have maple syrup. That ought to be an interesting flavor. Vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, just a little salt. I'm going to whisk this together. Okay, so we want to fold in our apple mixture. Okay, and I always bake on a pan, always. That way I don't have to clean up the oven. Okay, gonna pour this in this 8x8 pan baking dish, and I have greased and floured it. I am pretty old school on that. Always have been. Bake this 350, 30 to 35 minutes. Our apple pie filling cottage cheese breakfast bake is done. I even cooked it an extra 4 minutes because I just felt that it wasn't brown enough on top. And the recipe says 35 minutes or until golden on top. So, my experience with cottage cheese is that it just doesn't bake the same as if you were using shortening oils, whatever else. So, give it a few minutes to cool down, and then we'll have to try it. It's a breakfast bake, so I don't know that you'd want to put whipped cream on it or anything like that. It's got pecans in it, so I didn't sprinkle pecans on top or like brown sugar. It's supposed to be a healthy alternative, so therefore there's no sugar in it, just cottage cheese and oat flour, healthy stuff. So we'll see you in a few. Alrighty. We're gonna have us a little piece of this apple pie filling cottage cheese breakfast bake. We have some in a bowl and it looks delicious. The texture is a bit different. You can tell that it's cottage cheese. Oh, definitely taste the apples. Cinnamon, oatmeal. Now it kind of reminds me of a bowl of apple cinnamon oatmeal. Well, folks, I want to thank you for stopping by. And if you could, please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. You have a wonderful day, and I will see you next video. Bye-bye.